Ilocos Norte Governor Marcos Manotoc looks forward to many years of partnership with sister province Shandong, as the Philippines and China mark 45 years of diplomatic relations.
Exactly 45 years ago today, my grandfather, President Ferdinand Marcos, and Chairman Mao Zedong established a diplomatic relationship between the Philippines and the People's Republic of China. This was continued by my uncle, then Governor Bongbong Marcos, who welcomed the establishment of a Chinese consulate in our province.
To commemorate the event, the Consulate of China in Lawag donated 2,000 rice packs for residents. Rice packs were also given for frontliners at the Mariano Marcos Memorial Hospital and Memorial Center. The consul pledged to provide more packs.
I'd like to express my deepest gratitude to our Chinese consulate and to our sister province of Shandong, who have given us aid during this pandemic. The medical and relief supplies have certainly improved our province's capacity to address COVID-19.
Manotoc hopes to continue the friendship in the years to come.
To our dear Chinese consulate and to the People's Republic of China, we are so thankful to you for always giving donations when we are in a calamity. Please know that we are also here if you need anything.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.